This is Dr. Roger with Direct Med Clinic. Well, unfortunately, the number of positive COVID cases are on the rise in our community. Good news is there's a lot more testing available now than there was 2 or 3 months ago. Unfortunately, though, a lot of people think that they can just go out and get a test and figure out if they're good to go or not. It's not quite that simple. The COVID disease is still a confusing and complicated disease as far as the way it's transmitted. So the point is that don't just think that you can figure out if you can go back to work or go to this family gathering if you just go get a test. It needs to be done in consultation with a clinician. The clinician will be able to help you figure out if you need a test and when you need a test, and help you interpret the results of the test. So there's been a lot of folks in the clinic that we're seeing that are asking if they need a test or if they can go to work, if they've been in contact with somebody who's been in contact with somebody, or if they've been in contact with somebody that's been told to be quarantined. So all of these are the issues that you need to be in touch with a clinician to figure out. Not to mention whether you have symptoms or not, or if the potential contact that you've been in touch with has symptoms, because there are still those other illnesses out there like the common cold and allergies, and that we need to have you talk to a clinician about. We do have more testing available, which is great. We have that available now in our clinic with a pretty quick turnaround. We've also been going out to employers and testing their employees on site with good results. So I want to just let everybody know the word of caution: be careful. More testing is available, but you still need to have that done with the guidance of a clinician to help you interpret when you get the test done and what the results are, and what that means for you in your specific situation. And also want to let people know that if you feel like you don't have access to a doctor or testing in these crazy pandemic times, that we are there for you through Direct Med Clinic, through Direct Primary Care. Okay, so reach out to us if you feel like you're confused about COVID, and if you need a test, if you can go back to work, if you can go to that family gathering. Whatever it is, we just want to be there for you. This is Dr. Roger at Direct Med Clinic.